Ryan here with Prudential Pest Solutions, and what you're looking at right now is a severe German roach infestation in a house. This particular house was located in Reading, Pennsylvania, which is in Berks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. And as I'm going to show in the video here, the intention of this video is not to embarrass anybody or anything like that, but just to show you some of the severe infestations that we go into. Most homes that have roach issues are not this severe. And the way that this problem got so bad was that it was an elderly couple that lived here. They had a lot of health issues, a lot of mobility issues. And what ends up happening is when you have health and mobility issues, especially with elderly clients, is the cleanliness starts to lack, the clutter starts to accumulate, and all of those things, the cleanliness and the clutter, leads to roach issues. So what may have just been a small roach problem to start, now we're giving them clutter and food and habitat. Now it's exploded into a huge infestation. And we can see as we go through all the cabinets here, all the excrement, the live, the dead roaches, it was absolutely filthy. So what ended up happening when we first looked at this job is we said, listen, we can spray every single day for 10 years and we'll never resolve the problem. What needs to happen first, before we do a treatment, is you need to have somebody come in here and clean this out. Again, most homes will not require this step, but this case was so bad that it needed a cleanup. So a removal company came in, they decluttered the home. Perfect. The more areas we can treat, the more effective our treatments are. So even as severe as this looks, this is resolvable. Not in one treatment, mind you, but throughout our treatment process for roaches, we'll get this under control, and the homeowner will not have to live in a literal ocean of roaches every single day. And we can even see all the outlet covers have roaches in them. This is pretty severe. This is not a normal roach treatment that you have, but I wanted to show it to let you know some of the services that we offer and the jobs that we do. And it's always good to see the worst case scenario to hopefully make you feel better if you have a roach issue at your house. So if you're dealing with roaches, do not fret. Give the professionals at Prudential Pest Solutions a call or text us at 484-401-4361. Or you can visit us online at prudentialpest.com.